Alright, let's try to get this fixed. I have the solution, I think. Alright, that's off. Oh, it's cold outside. Alright, got my rolling chair, got my Anchor power bank. I don't have a power source in the tool shed, so we're going to need that, and we're going to need a drill master. This is a heat gun. You could use any heat gun, blow dryer. I just got my drill master. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I brought out the Anchor. That's only 100 watts. This is 1500 watts. Even a hair dryer. So what we're going to do is heat this up a bit and place it back in and see if it works. Got the heat gun going. Alright, moment of truth. I unhooked it, hooked it back up. Let's see if it's still flickering. Alright, I guess that's the solution. It just needs to be heated up.